A trade reset sealed in Washington but triggering a political storm in New Delhi. US President Donald Trump's decision to slash reciprocal tariffs on Indian goods from 25 to 18% is being projected as a diplomatic win. But even before the politics takes over, the fine print reveals a trade-off. This deal is being pitched as win some, give some. What India gains: easier access to US market, lower tariffs for Indian exports, and the possibility of global supply chains shifting towards India. But there is a cost. What India loses: questions over strategic autonomy, concerns over continued Russian oil purchases, and pressure to buy more American goods. Those trade-offs ignited a political storm at home. Parliament erupted as opposition MPs stormed the well, demanding a debate on the US-India deal. Lok Sabha leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi accused Prime Minister of bowing to pressure.
नरेंद्र मोदी जी पर प्रेशर है, भयंकर प्रेशर है, और नरेंद्र मोदी जी का जो इमेज का गुब्बारा है, जो हजारों करोड़ रुपए लेकर बनाया गया था, वो फूट सकता है.
The opposition also charged the government with outsourcing India's trade announcements to Washington.
Going by what President Trump has put out in the public space, if that is correct, then it is increasingly concerning with regard to India's strategic autonomy.
Priyanka Gandhi Vadra added that Indian farmers could now be pushed into direct competition with American companies, demanding clarity on the agreement. The government hits back.
विपक्ष के नेता भी हमें पूछ रहे थे कि कब होगा यूएस डील, और मैं हैरान हूं, ये डबल स्टैंडर्ड्स जो राहुल गांधी जी बार बार दिखाते हैं वह बहुत ही निंदनीय है.
Union Minister JP Nadda accused the opposition of playing politics with national interests, insisting the government is open to discussion.
सरकार किसी बात से भी, कोई भी बात से चर्चा करने से पीछे नहीं रहती है, हमेशा आगे रहती है.
Top government sources moved to reassure, saying farmers' interests remain protected. India will continue buying crude from non-sanctioned sources at market rates, and the $500 billion trade figure is spread over several years, not a one-year commitment. The government sees opportunity. The opposition sees compromise. A tariff cut abroad has delivered gains and sparked doubts. The deal with Washington may be sealed, but at home, the debate over what India gave up has only just begun. Bureau Report, India Today.